Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to convert 0.205 to a percent. So if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So let's start. So 0.205 right now in decimal form and we have to convert into percentage. So know about basic thing about percentage. So this is the symbol of percentage and it is equals to 1 by 100. Basically, in place of percent, you can write 1 by 100 or in place of 1 by 100, you can replace with this symbol percent. So 0.205 in decimal form. First, I'm going to convert into fraction form. That is P by Q form where P is numerator and Q is denominator. So we can write 1 in denominator. So write it comes in fraction form. Now our next step is to remove this decimal. So how can we remove? We can remove this decimal by multiplying by tens in numerator as well as in denominator depending upon the digits after decimal. So there are 3 digits after decimal. So 10 times 10 times 10 in numerator, 10 times 10 times 10 in denominator to balance the numerator. So numerator becomes without decimal 205 and denominator becomes 1000. Now this 1000 I can write 10 times 100 or we can break it as 205 by 10 times 1 by 100. So numerator becomes 20.5 and this 1 by 100 we can replace with the percentage symbol as we discussed in beginning. So we can say that 0.205 in terms of percentage is 20.5%. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.